Extremely large bulldozers, which weigh 152.6 tons and have a length of more than 33 feet, are technically capable of doing the most demanding tasks, such as digging, excavating, and leveling materials, as well as the worst working circumstances. Here are the top 10 biggest bulldozers in the world. 10. Caterpillar D10T2. The Caterpillar D10T2 has undergone countless technical improvements since Alice Chalmers first introduced it in 1969 at ConExpo in Chicago. It has never let anyone down. It has proven to be the highly versatile and productive tool that everyone had hoped it would be, designed for challenging work and adaptable, used on busy construction sites, and strong, used on mine sites. This 70.17-ton piece of machinery is well adapted to demanding operating conditions. Because of the strong construction, the 766 HP engine, and the 18.5 cubic meters capacity blade, the material is kept moving with reliability, which is exclusive to Cat dozers. 9. CHETRA T40. This strong machine stands out from the whole array of crawler-type dozers due to its large weight of 70.28 tons as well as its unique undercarriage, which was built expressly to offer optimum traction when dealing with exceptionally challenging working circumstances. The technical elements of the CHETRA T40 give the highest level of efficiency, while keeping the user safe and comfortable while operating this massive dozer. Together, these components, including the potent engine with a 660 HP rating and the large blade with a 21 cubic meters capacity, perform chores at the workplace. Because the CHETRA T40 Super Bulldozer is so easy to handle, operators value it even more. 8. SHANTUI SD60C5. The SD60C5, the second largest crawler dozer from Chinese manufacturer, SHANTUI is ranked 8th in our ranking. The Cummins QSK-19 electronic control engine in the more than 70-ton yellow monster produces 450 kilowatts at 1,800 RPM. The SHANTUI mining bulldozer has a length and width of 10.4 meters and 4.7 meters, respectively. A semi-U blade with an 18.9 cubic meters capacity, composed of wear-resistant materials, is one of the necessary pieces of equipment. A massive single-shank ripper with more piercing power is another option for the SD60C5. 7. LIEBHERR PR776 LITRONIC. Due to its outstanding performance in ripping and bulldozing operations, it was really ranked as one of the top 10 bulldozers in the world and at number 7 on our list. The operating weight of 73.18 tons, the strong engine, the high blade penetration forces, and the remarkable grading features of this enormous dozer enable it to operate at optimum productivity, particularly during heavy-duty tasks. The LIEBHERR PR776 LITRONIC's diesel engine, 598 kilowatts/768 HP, is designed to handle any situation and is powerful enough for tough mining and extraction tasks. The blade of this huge bulldozer sits just next to the main frame. This results in the greatest penetration pressures and guarantees that up to 18.50 cubic meters of material will be filled in a short period of time. 6. John Deere 1050K. In the US, the 42.8-ton bulldozer was developed with high productivity and toughness in mind. It is 21.6 feet long, 6.6 meters, by 11.1 feet tall, and weighs 42.8 tons, 3.4 meters. Its blade is 12.7 feet, 3.9 meters, wide and has a volume of 328 cubic feet. Its 350 horsepower engine can propel it to a top speed of 6.8 miles per hour. It has a 180-gallon, 680 liters, gasoline tank capacity and is employed in significant mining and construction projects across the world. 5. SHANTUI SD90C5. The largest mining dozer made by the Chinese manufacturer SHANTUI, the Bulldozer SD90C5, came in the 5th position. The most expensive model weighs almost 106 tons and generates 708 kW, when powered by a Cummins QST30 electronic control engine, 962 HP. The operator's cabin was designed with comfort, visibility, and noise reduction in mind, 80 dB. A U-blade attachment can be installed on the SD90C5. The single shank unit, ripper type, drills down 1,670 mm, which is more than the initial tool's depth of 1,010 mm. The bulldozer is massive, with three-dimensional measurements in meters. 4. Komatsu D475A8. The D475A8 was released in 2020 to supersede the Dash 5 model. The Komatsu D475A8 has an engine power of 777 kW to 1040 HP and an operational weight of almost 112 tons, which leads to high productivity, even if it is not as powerful as its bigger brother, the Komatsu D575A3. As a result, it ranks among the biggest production bulldozers on the market today. The enormous Komatsu dozer's remarkable technical performance in difficult and extensive civil work is largely attributed to its 34.4 cubic meters blade capacity and 11.3 m overall length. The radiator cooling fan on it is hydraulically regulated, and it was installed to provide the best RPM while greatly reducing noise. 3. Caterpillar D11 TCD. The ability of the Cat 11 TCD to withstand the test of time and the most difficult tasks is what makes it so outstanding. A robust blade that can hold up to 43.6 cubic meters of material and has a box section that is resistant to twisting and splitting. High tensile strength steel was used to make it. A 695 kW or 913 HP engine, an operational weight of 112.72 tons. Speaking about strength, the largest Cat dozer's mainframe is one of its best qualities. It was expressly designed to withstand high-impact shock loads and twisting forces during challenging dozing and ripping operations. It is 15.4 feet tall and 34.4 feet long in total. Its engine produces 850 horsepower, and at its highest speed, it can go at 14 kilometers per hour. 2. Komatsu D575A3SD. The Super Dozer, the second largest dozer in the world, earned its name for a good cause. It is propelled by an engine that operates at least 858 kW or 1,150 HP at 1,800 RPM and has a working weight of 152.6 tons. A super dozer, like the Komatsu D575A3, comes standard with a super blade that has an increased holding volume capacity of at least 69 cubic meters and an innovative design that increases its productivity in level dozing by 15%. The second strongest bulldozer in the world may have the ideal balance for dozing as a result, and it may be able to push more materials against the same soil resistance. 1. ACCO Super Bulldozer. Astonishing dimensions of 183 tons and 12 meters in length. The world still admires this beast 40 years after it was built, which is strange, but true, because it has never transported a meter cube of material in its whole life. The majority of the parts in this biggest dozer ever built are from Caterpillar. For instance, the 7 m wide by 2.7 m high blade is the largest item that Caterpillar has ever made. The tallest dozer in the world, which is propelled by gigantic hydraulic rams, has a ripper that is around 3 meters in height. The fact that the world's largest and strongest dozer is driven by two horizontally opposed 675 HP, 503 kilowatts Caterpillar engines with a combined output of 1,350 HP should not come as a surprise. Amazing, right? This brings us to the end of today's video. Please comment below on what machine we should make a video on next. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also click to watch our full vehicle playlist.